Hello friends and welcome back to another nail art video. Today I am going to share these 4 easy toe nail art designs. This first design is a very easy drag marble nail art design. For this I have applied white polish on my nails, and while the polish is still wet I used a deep violet polish and made a semicircle kind of shape. Then I dipped the brush in the violet polish and I dragged it towards the cuticle area, and in this manner you can create this design. Any excess polish on the sides can be removed using nail polish remover and a cleanup brush. And after this all you need is a rhinestone which you can stick using a little bit of top coat. And this very easy drag marble nail art design is done. Design number 2 is a floral design inspired by the sunflower. To create this design I have applied a very light cream color polish on my toenails and I allowed it to dry off completely. Then I used a black colored polish and I made a semicircular shape in the corner of the nail and I added some black dots, but later on I changed it a little bit. Then I used yellow colored polish to give the flowers its petals, that is the yellow sunflower petals, and I created 2 layers of these petals. I also added some light green leaves towards the corner of the flower. Once the polish dries up a little bit, I used black nail polish to border the design. All the petals and the leaves were bordered using this black polish, and I also added a little bit of black polish on the inner part of the petals later on. I put black polish on the central part of the sunflower, and when it got dried up, later on I used white polish to give it the central dots. And I also used the white polish and added a few white dots all around in the empty spaces. The next step as usual was cleanup to remove off any excess polish on the skin. And the final step was applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design and to make it last longer. So in this manner you can create this very easy floral toe nail art design, and these are perfect for the summer season also. Design number 3 is this very cute bow nail art design with some polka dots. For this I have used white polish as the base, so I applied 2-3 layers of white polish and I let it dry off completely. Clean up any excess polish on the sides, and then I used a red nail polish to create the bow design. Now you can also use acrylic colors which are easier to work with, and they are especially good during the Indian summers to do nail art, because over here I was somehow struggling to make the design because the polish was drying off so quickly that I didn't get time even to create the design before it started getting tacky, as the summers are already here and the temperatures are rising. It is around 39 degrees Celsius at the moment. So if you are facing trouble using nail polish, you can always use acrylic color. Anyhow, I created this red bow and I gave it a black border later on once the red polish dries off. After bordering the bow, I also added 2 tiny black lines in the central part, and I also added some black colored polka dots all around the design to give it a little bit of look. And And as usual, the final step is applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design, and this very easy toe nail art is also done. Design number 4 is again a floral design, and over here I have used two different colors as the base. First I used a very light cream color polish, and then I applied a deeper violet color polish on half of the nails, and once it got dried up I used a very light blue polish and I made some tiny flowers on the violet area. I gave these flowers a silver colored center, and I also added a row of silver dots at the junction where the two polishes met. And you can apply a layer of glossy top coat once the design dries off. And this is how I created these 4 easy toe nail art designs. I hope you enjoyed watching these toe nail art designs, and thanks for watching.